Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we will find about this cheapest synchronous motor, know about its working, is easily available online, also known as auto swing AC synchronous geared motor. These motors have constant rotational speed and operate at supplies synchronous speed. AC power supplied to the stator generates rotating magnetic field. Such type of motors are used in air coolers, synchronous clocks, timers, recorders, and computer peripherals. This synchronous motor consists of stator and rotor. A magnetic rotor and stator made of copper coil. Magnetic flux caused by rotating rotor magnet will cause the magnetic flux through the coils to change direction as north-south, creating AC voltage leading to AC current. Here electrical input produced mechanical output. This is vice versa, as mechanical input produces AC voltage. I ordered this motor from Amazon, came in this pack. After opening we can see its specifications which shows AC 220 to 40 volts and 50 to 60 Hz, 5 to 6 RPM and 4 watts. Made in PRC, that is China. Now testing it and finding out how many AC volts it can produce when rotated mechanically with hand. Using a screwdriver for rotating the gear motor shaft. It can be little difficult to rotate as it is a gear motor. The motor wires are connected to the multimeter and AC voltage is being tested. Voltage is touching nearly up to 300 volts. So that concludes that it can generate enough voltage to light a LED bulb. Connecting the motor wires to the bulb holder. Now taking a 3-watt LED bulb and attaching it to the holder. After this, I will rotate the gear motor shaft with the help of screwdriver. Rotating involves force for holding the motor and rotating it fast enough to light the bulb. It was a bit tougher to get full brightness and stable light. Next, I replaced it with 9-watt LED. It was somewhat stable but not fully bright, involving little less rotating force. Last of all, lighting of the neon bulb was more easier, involving lesser rotating force and giving full brightness. Hope you found this video tutorial helpful and knowledgeable. Then do like, share, comment and subscribe.